Namaste everyone. If you wanted to improve your hip flexibility but you don't have a proper techniques, how to begin? Let me guide you today in my class. You have to follow every technique at least 30 seconds so that you can enhance the range of the muscles. Also you can improve the strength of the muscle. Okay. So let me give you idea what are the techniques you have to practice and how many seconds. I already told you 30 seconds. If you are a beginner, you can also reduce the holding duration at least 15 seconds you can practice. And if you're new to our Shia Mega Studio channel, please subscribe and follow this video till end so that you can get useful benefit. If you enjoy the techniques also, please like this video. So let's begin the class. Okay. So number one exercise for strengthening the hip flexor muscle. You have to place the block. Yeah. Now fix the block between your both foot. Yes. And now keep the legs up at 60-degree. Yes. And now move your hands also up and make the Namaskar Mudra. Yes. Make the Namaskar Mudra. Very good. So this one you have to make so that you can get a good strength in your pelvic area. Okay. So ready everyone and stay here for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Everyone you also have to smell. Okay. Yeah, it is good for your health. Now 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and relax. So you have to do in this technique extension of your both legs and then do forward bend, side bending. Place your other hand on other side of the toe and stay here to stretch your inner thigh and a hamstring. 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax. So when you do this kind of technique, everyone, you need to only improve your holding whenever you do next time the same technique. Okay. If you hold today only for 15 seconds to 30 seconds, next time when you do, you just try to improve the holding like 30 seconds to 1 minute. So now next technique, keep the right leg over the wall. Very good. And now slowly hold your, like you say, both ankle, but one ankle with both hand, and then try to do forward bending. Touch your head on your knee. This technique is good for stretching the hamstring, inner thigh. You need to keep the foot more over the inside wall. Just try to keep a good height from your leg. Very good, Prajakta ji. Stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and relax. How many of you getting stretch on the hamstring? Just raise your hand. Yes, all of you. So this is our next technique. You have to do frog pose. In frog pose, your target should be stretching your inner thigh. So when you're doing this technique, your focus should be keeping the hips open by keeping the knee outside. Okay. So stay here by looking the camera or else just stay there. Yeah. Good. अपना एक पैर बाहर निकालो. Move your one leg outside. Yes. Good, Prajakta ji. अब अपने हाथों को जमीन पे रखो. Yeah. Place your hand on your mat. Very nice. Now move your hip backward and forward. This is a wonderful exercise for stretching your inner thigh, everyone. Someone who have very tight inner thighs, they might having like issue to make middle split, side split. So this posture is good for you to improve the flexibility. 1, 2, 3. Smile karna. Yeah, come on. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Very good, Sujata ji. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Relax. Side change. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Relax. Come back.